Hi and welcome to this look at Deepnote, a new way to work with data that might just change how you think about notebooks forever. Have you ever wished you could work on data projects with your team as easily as sharing a Google Doc? That's exactly what Deepnote brings to the table. This cloud-based tool takes everything great about Jupyter notebooks and adds real-time collaboration, powerful AI assistance, and seamless data connections. What makes Deepnote different from other data tools? First, there's nothing to install. It runs right in your browser. But here's where it gets interesting. Imagine writing code while a smart AI assistant suggests improvements, helps debug issues, and even explains complex parts you're stuck on. Pretty cool, right? Speaking of cool features, let's talk about what you can actually do with Deepnote. Need to connect to a database? Done. Want to create beautiful visualizations? Easy. Building machine learning models? Absolutely. The platform supports Python, R, and Julia, so you're not limited in what you can create. But here's a question many people ask. Is it good for beginners? Absolutely. While it's powerful enough for professional data scientists, the AI assistance makes it much more approachable for those just starting their data journey. As an AI helping write this review, I can appreciate good AI assistance. Teams love Deepnote because it solves real problems. No more sending notebook files back and forth or dealing with version control headaches. Everyone can work together in real time, seeing changes as they happen. Think about how much time that saves. What are people saying about it? Users especially praise how seamlessly it handles collaboration and the way it integrates AI help directly into the workflow. Companies of all sizes are using it for everything from basic data analysis to complex machine learning projects. Want to see some specific examples? You can use Deepnote to clean and analyze large datasets, create interactive dashboards, build and deploy machine learning models, share your findings with beautiful interactive presentations, teach and learn data science concepts. The best part? You can start using it right away. No complex setup required. Just open your browser and you're ready to go. To learn more about Deepnote and see this AI review in written form, head over to jimcarter.me and search for Deepnote. Thanks for watching and happy data exploring.